Let's talk about order of operations, this time with whole numbers and exponents. When we do order of operations, it's kind of not such a big deal with just numbers, especially when you have a calculator in front of you. Calculators are really good at actually doing order of operations for you. The problem happens when you don't learn about order of operations and then you start doing algebraic expressions and you have x's and other letters involved, and you can't just pop it in your calculator, and you have to actually understand order of operations. So going back to an example with just numbers, let's pretend we're not going to use our calculator and we just want to understand the order of operations. So we're always going to do parentheses first. We don't have any, so we don't have to worry about it. Then we're going to do exponents. We have an exponent, so we're going to deal with that. After exponents, we can do multiplication and division, left to right. And after we're done with that, we can do addition and subtraction, left to right. So let's just go through what we know here. We can't deal with the subtraction yet, so we're just going to leave it here. We are going to deal with this exponent. The exponent 3 to the second power means 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. And then we'll just bring everything else down. Now, we have to do multiplication before we can do addition and subtraction. So again, we're just going to leave the subtraction behind, and we're going to deal with the multiplication. 9 times 2 is 18. Now we can finish out the last step, 27 minus 18. 28 minus 18 would be 10. So 27 minus 18 must be 9. You might want to just ask yourself if that makes sense, but we should be there, and that should be the right answer.